Welcome back. Today we're going to create a mushroom. We're going to go to Insert, Shapes. Going to look for a darker red color. Let's take this one. So now we're just going to edit the points. Make them smooth. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a mushroom. Add a little bit of a gradient to it. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, from the bottom. It's a little bit darker. Let's see if there's a bevel we can add. I'm just going to move this down here. I'm going to choose this one. It's got a nice bright spot here with the sun in the morning shining off of it. So we're done with that. I'm going to make an Amanita muscaria, and it's got all these little spots on it. So let's add those spots quickly. I'm going to select the hexagon shape, this one here, and just fill that shape with white. I don't know if I need the outline. I'll take it out because now I can see it with the mushroom, so we've got it there. I'm going to put a gradient on there as well. And then I'm going to put the shape effect, the bevel. Yeah. Let's have one like that. Oops, sorry. Let's copy that. Copy. And I'm going to take that gradient out. No gradient. Shape fill. Shape effect, bevel. We'll leave that bevel. Copy. I'm going to need a whole bunch of them. They should be different sizes as well. Let's go here. So I'm going to highlight a few of them. And I'm going to change the dimensions here. 0.2 by 0.17, something like that, where it's small. And they're like all over the place, so yeah. So the shape effects bevel, let's change this one to this shape, like that. This one, bevel, maybe make it smaller, 2.5. Spin it around a little bit, rotate it, I should say. And put it over here. I'm gonna move that one there. Make another one. Copy. A whole bunch of them. couple more points over here. Okay, a couple more things. The base. Just say something like that. And the fill, let's make it kind of off-white. No outline. Center back. Shape, fill, gradient. A little bit of an outline. This bottom part, we're going to edit. Oops. Edit points. And smooth. Usually has a little bit of a, I don't know what to call it, apron or. Let's grab this one here. Gradient. No outline. Softer edges. Add some points here. Make them smooth. Make this one smooth. A little bit out there, a little bit like that. The bottom part for the bevel, I'm just going to change the shape like that. We're going to select both of these bottom parts and we're going to add some shadow. And I'm going to make it more narrow. Sorry, not narrow, but shorter. Just going to go higher. 1 second here. I'm going to make this wider. I'll add a point so it doesn't look that straight. Like that. One last thing. We're going to go into the select objects. Shape format group. You should be able to move everything together. that's it. Thanks for watching.